Okay, dude, this is fucking it. That's it.
Oh! If it did it, it would be, if it pulled it a little bit to the left, I feel like it would work. Wait, you're switching guys? You're not staying loyal?
Bitch ass! Dude, I'm getting mad.
Which one?
All of them.
The left?
Trash game. Unbelievable. I'm gonna freak out.
Freak out. Stop putting money in.
Stop telling me what to do. I have to win.
How many did you put in already?
By the end of this, it will be about $20 and I will have lost it all. Fucker.
Ooh, you got him sitting upright. Actually, that could be a pretty good position. The better thing about him is that he's shorter, so he's probably lighter.
Bro, it fucking...
You had it in the loop too, did you see that? That was my theory for what would work, but it didn't work.
I swear to God.
What, you like?
Crab mentality, bro.
What's that?
I don't want anyone else to win.
That's a crab mentality?
That's not fair!
Why?
It's rigged!
Come on.
It's the most rigged game ever. Fucker. I know I'm not.
He's getting closer. You have 4 plays left. No, you don't need to put any more in.
I have a lot more than 4 plays.
Oh, okay.
Stupid. Nope.
Whoa, wait, that's pretty good. If you could get it on this side, and it would like flip it over the edge. Damn.
I'm gonna hurt you, dude. This is your fault.
You got 2 left. Don't put more coins
I have
in.
more than 2.
Wait, so why don't you do the salt one if they're just equally difficult?
I don't care. They're both. I don't care. I don't care which one I get. I just want to win.
I like the salt one.
I kind of like this one.
Yeah, they're both good.
All right, dude. If this isn't it, I'm gonna play again.
Come on, come on.
Sorry. I have to win. There has to be a strategy. Worst fucking spin ever, dude. Alright.
Come on, you're done, you're done. Oh, you got 2 spins left. Yeah, do that one. That guy doesn't want to be caught. This guy does.
Neither of them want to be caught. They're both rats.
Maybe Gengar does.
Gengar can suck.
Damn, that was... Did not want to be caught.
Are you for real?
Where is the best spot to grab him? It's like completely smooth.
Yeah, it sucks.
Don't get him on the tag. The tag is what killed you.
It opened!
It opened? Alright, let's go.
Why?
Let's take a look at the other games.
I want to play.
Is that a Pokemon? No, come on. Oh, it's got it. Let's see what else they got. Oh, sorry. I've always wanted to find a thing in a capsule machine or a crane machine that I actually wanted, but I never seen it.
I want that thing. I have to.
Okay.
Email me in my study.
Did you make any progress?
No! This thing sucks, dude.
They have the other size too, right?
I
There's a
don't want
different size. The other size might be easier. Damn. It's really not a matter of the thing picking it up and bringing it all the way, but rather having it drop and letting it drop at the right time. Like, wait. If you can get this to not be on that side of the glass, if it picks it up at all, it'll drop it and possibly drop it in. Like, you don't care about if it carries it, you just want it to drop it at the right time. See though, like, you can do it, It's about the center of gravity on the thing.
Really? What gravity?
I don't know, the gravity that's been beating you the whole time. Maybe just do one at a time, but I think you've had enough.
I have. I've had it up to here.
No, don't put it on the other side of the glass. It's not going to have any traction.
It's not gonna grab it. Watch. I'm gonna do this method.
Fine. Like, how do you expect that it would pick it up?
Stupid tag is gonna.
Oh. Damn, but that was a good drop. That was a good drop, though.
It's right. It's not even close to being fair.
All right, let me try one.
I swear to God. Speed dude.
I know what I want. Damn. I swear to God, he said. There's still 2 coins in there.
I'm gonna need more. How am I gonna get that?
No, wait. Do it on the other side of the glass, on the left, further left.
It's not gonna grab it on that side.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, it is. Yeah.
It's not.
It looks farther than it is. I'm looking straight on. See it?
Yeah, but it's not gonna grab it.
Oh, that's like the best possible thing.
Not any better than any other one.
Yeah, it is, because now if it picks up a little bit and drops it, it'll drop it towards the thing.
No, because it's gonna pick it up and then it's gonna move to the left and then drop it.
You got to make sure you don't hit the glass, though.
I have to get on this side of the glass or on that side?
Right there, I think, is it. Get him! Damn, it's on the other side of the glass. Damn. That was a good setup, but it was hard to get. You still have two plays.
I know how this works. Fuck.
You didn't even lose yet.
I lost alright.
Well, now you did, but you didn't then.
The worst thing ever invented, I think, this game. It's worse than it was before.
You like took off his bra or whatever that thing is. You see it?
It doesn't pick him up, dude. This is all my money.
Yeah, I don't have any more cash either. I can't lend you any.
Like, come on.
No, there was no way that one was gonna win. There was no way. Look, you just gotta get on the other side of the glass, and it's like a percentage chance now. Which direction does it pick him up? Because it's gonna drop him as soon as it's gonna drop when it gets to the top of the pickup. Because it's not strong enough of a hold to bring it.
Well, I can't even fucking grab him now, so I guess I'll go for this.
Get the salt.
Original sin.
Get him. All right, let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna throw up, dude.
Okay. We're looking for a soft cream, but you spent all your money.
I gotta go to Family Mart or something.
Yeah, me too, yeah.
Sucks, man.
I mean, you tried your best.
Yeah, and it wasn't good. Not Nama.
Thanks for joining, ladies and gents. I'll see you next time.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go in search of a soft cream place.
Well, there's the detour right here on that one.
Detour is not going to be open. Buy the cat thing.